Let us consider how to read and write data using R. And the first thing I want to do today is to show you how you can set the working directory. So you go to session, set working directory, choose directory, and then you go through and you get the folder where you have saved your data. You can come and copy it. You copy the folder. The first type of data I want to read through is the CSV type of data, and it's called the mobile money dot CSV. And I can even view it, and that is my data that I have called the mobile data. Now you note that I have not installed any packages because the read.csv comes together with the main software. So the CSV data, that will be easy. Now let's look at Excel data. And I want to read the Excel data. The first thing is I want to do the installation of read.xl, which I already have. I have a data set called bank, and I want to read the data from that, read underscore XLS, and then I'll look for the bank.xls. That's the data, the name of my data, and you can see I have been successful. So what do I have? That is my data, and I can now comfortably, if I wish, I could decide to save it in my machine, not just as bank, but maybe as new bank. Let me call it new bank.csv. So now I can save it in my computer as new bank.csv, so that in future I don't need to look for the library XLS if I want to work with the data. We want to look at SPSS data, and for us to be able to succeed in doing so, we need to introduce the package column to be able to read the data from SPSS. So if I say SPSS, I've just got the library foreign because I've already have installed the package before. Now I want to read my data. I'm calling it SPSS. So read.spss, and it's called fin access underscore SPSS underscore project underscore 9.sav. That's the first step. And the second step is use value labels, and I say that should be true, and then data frame is equals true. What do I mean? I want it to give me the actual names. If it's male, not to give me a 0 or a 1, but I want the word male. And then I also want it to be a data frame. That's okay. We can view the SPSS file so that we see we have been successful in importing it into R, and that is my data. Now, so that's what we have. And also, if you wish, you could write it again as you have done before. SPSS, you can say it's called new SPSS.csv. And what will happen is that if you go to the folder, you realize that now you have saved your data in SPSS, from SPSS to a CSV. And so these are a way that we can use to read data.